Hey guys, this is Lisa's Oddities, and today I have a planner to share with you guys. So I was shopping on Francesca's and they were having like huge sales. I think it was the semi-annual sale, and they had like a bunch of things on clearance also. So I was like picking up a bunch of like new clothes for myself, and then I came across this like agenda because they had several on clearance, and I was like, this is so cute. Like, why shouldn't I pick this up? And it was on clearance for $4.97, so basically $5. And the original price was $24. I have no idea how to pronounce this brand, so I'm not even gonna try. But so a lot of their planners were dated, but I noticed that this one was undated. And it also comes with a place for important dates, months, weeks, notes. There's a pocket, foil stamping. It's printed on linen paper. This whole notebook is 5 inches by 8 inches. And it's really, really cute. So I'm gonna take off the packaging real quick and then come back. And so the cover is this gorgeous, gorgeous marble with Holy Chic, which is really cute because my mind automatically goes holy shit, but this is like chic, you know? Um and the cover feels so nice. It's like very, very smooth. And let's see if we can pick up on the foiling. It's rose gold and it's very, 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 very cute. And then it also says Holy Chic on the spine. And then here's the back with the brand, I guess. And then we go in here, and this is also a very light neutral pink with pink, not pink, sorry, rose gold foiling. Try to say that 5 times fast. And then we go straight into the personal data, so you can fill out like your information and whatever. This is the important date section. Can try and focus. So it's got months and days, so you could write like birthdays or important events or whatever. And then here is the month section with the numbers 1 to 12 up here, and then place for notes, and then Sunday through Saturday. And it's printed very lightly, which is nice. But the odd thing is that, here I'll go closer. The odd thing is that each day is not an even box. Like you can see like this here compared to this, compared to this. And it kind of just continues like that for the rest of the boxes. I don't know what's up with that, because this here to here to here to here is pretty even, but then it's like, well, what happened with the quality control? And who designed this and why? I mean, I don't know if for somebody there's less things going on Monday than the rest of the days, but that's a little bit odd. But so then we move on to the weekly spread, and again 1 to 12 at the top. I guess here's a place to write like week 1 out of 52 or whatever. I don't know why people do that, because I never do that. I don't need to keep track of the weeks, but everybody's got their own thing. And then there's a place to write each day, date. And then Saturday and Sunday are in their own, are in the same box, which I don't like when planners do that, because it's like, hey, you don't know what's going on in my life. I might have more things going on the weekends. But anyway, so then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks to each month. And then there's 12 of these. So plenty of space for your yearly needs. And then in the back here we go. Okay, so this is the notes section. Left side is blank, right side is lined. And there's like a good amount of that, which is cool. So I guess if I wanted to, I could like draw here or sketch or something, and then right here. Oh my gosh. And then I forgot. I can get to it. Oh, okay. And then there's 2 ribbon bookmarks, one in that like dusty pink, and then the other one is white. And then back here we've got the pocket. And this paper feels very nice. I haven't done a pen test on it yet because I don't know if I want to keep this or give it to somebody, like one of my friends, but we'll see. But the paper feels very, very nice. It feels like good quality. So there's that. It's just like the odd thing is the months. Like, why did they do that? It doesn't make sense to me. Like, what is the purpose of having uneven boxes? I just don't understand. But anyway, besides that, everything else is freaking cute, and for $5, I wasn't gonna say no to that. So this is the Holy Chic agenda, which I got from the store Francesca's, which is an adorable store, and you should check it out if you've never heard of it before. And you can find me on Instagram and Etsy at Lisa's Oddities. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!